Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today's topic is, when life gives you onions, make lemonade.
So this is a saying of mine. Yes, I know, I get it wrong all the time. People say, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. And, so I've changed that up to when life gives you onions, which is even more severe than lemons, make lemonade still yet.
Should be more like onion soup.
Yeah, make onion soup. There you go. But basically the premise of this is that, life is always going to throw curveballs your ways. And it is based upon the way that you perceive those curveballs as whether they are blessings or whether they're growth points for you, or you can see them as this earth-shattering, soul-crushing event in your life that you'll never recover from. And if you view it, the latter of those two right there, you're never going to be successful. You're not going to be successful in business. I know, if you're already feeling depressed, this isn't going to help you. But basically, you're not going to be successful and you won't win at life. Because winners genuinely have a winning mentality, about it. And they're like, oh, well, that sucks. I lost an arm. Well, I guess I'll play with a nub. And like, that's a winning mentality, and that's life giving someone a big curve. And they didn't see that curve coming, right? And they wrecked. It wrecked their life, or what should wreck their life. But they only look for the positives and the positive outcomes that they could have from that. Yeah,
we've talked about this kind of before in slightly different ways. Positive thinking, the 3 at 3 we did there, because it is mentality driven, like you say. Like, it's all about your mentality and being resourceful and working with what you have to try to make something better from the building blocks you have, to build a tower or build something with it.
Yeah, and you have a lot of power in your thoughts, the way that you're thinking about stuff. Again, in the way that you act, more or less. At the end of the day, because if you're a curmudgeon-y person, whenever something goes bad or something always is going bad in your life, people will stray away from you. It's like you got leprosy. I mean, like, people are gonna oh, that's nice, but you stay over there and I'll stay over this way. Well, it's the same way if you have a bad attitude and bad outlook on life. So, everybody, we are all in this together. We are all in this soup together. We all have our own life issues and life problems at some point in time. And, life's giving you onions, and they're big stinky ones sometimes. And you just need to press those suckers down, put a smile on your face, and make some lemonade, and go sell yourself some lemonade. So that's going to be it for this 3 Minutes at 3. I hope you all enjoyed it.
Thanks for joining us.
And like always, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.